So you might be in a situation on your iPhone where for some reason this slide power off option just isn't working on your iPhone. So maybe you're seeing this slide to power off page come up, but you basically just don't see it actually working at all. You're trying to slide it, but it's not sliding. Now the very first thing we recommend doing here is to go through and just try seeing if you can restart your iPhone or iPad in a different way. So this is going to be a forced restart. So what it's going to look like is to press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and then hold down the side button until you see an Apple logo. So it's going to look like this: volume up, volume down, and then side button. Keep holding this down until your iPhone completely restarts. Most of the time, this is going to end up fixing the problem. So keep holding down that side button, and then when your screen goes black and you see the Apple logo, you want to just let go of that side button. So now you let go. So now you're holding down 0 buttons. So now your iPhone 13 or your whatever iPhone you have is going to restart. I've been in this situation tons of times, and this is exactly how I fixed it before. So that's primarily what I'd recommend doing in this particular case too, and it should end up fixing the problem for you as well. So hopefully that ends up fixing it for you too. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.